मोना बेखौ बान्था मोनो माला जाया औ बाव बेसे बुरजा मानसिफोर नों मा रल माबादि मोनदों गोसोखौ बेखौ मोननायनि उनावहाय What is the feeling that you have won the modeling fashion?
It's very amazing that I win this trophy over in Guwahati place at Kalakshetra Auditorium. It's amazing that my dream comes true. Everyone feels very happy when dreams come true. What we say, what want to get there, if come true, then it's what to say. It's amazing.
How many participants were there?
Totally I don't know, but because of Corona, they said that too much contestant they cannot cover it. So I think so 55 or 56 there, but only 20 contestants are already fixed.
Is it Northeast or?
Yeah, Northeast. Star Galaxy Northeast 2020.
Next key target as well. Any target next?
Already they are fixed that I have to go in national level in Mumbai. And they said that in January, in this 2021 January, they are going to in Kanpur for national level.
Where from you belongs?
I'm from a village, Serpanguri, Rampur village.
And your educational qualification?
Matriculation?
Yeah, educational qualification.
Now I'm studying degree, BA, first semester.
In which college?
Janta College, Serpanguri.
Arts or arts?
Yeah, arts.
Tapi apa nama?
Korima Busumutari, mother, father Tulunga Busumutari.